And good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a brand new video. We are starting off today's video with Diamond Head hike. We about to hike a freaking volcano. A volcano, real life volcano. See if we could do it in under 45 minutes. I can't tell the time on my watch because it's infected. Good news is, new Apple Watch comes out tomorrow. All I know is it's 7.
It looks 7.
7.
Yeah,
it's 7. Quick update, we made it to the stairs. I think it's about 15-16 minutes in. I think we still got a little bit to go. We have to go through a little bunker, but this is like a nice little tunnel, so we're gonna get a little tunnel action right now. Side note, Ultra Boost, not the best hiking shoes. Almost rolled like twice already. Nature. We're about to enter this tunnel. Spooky vibes. Ooh, spooky. Spooky. Yo, I can't see anything in here with the sunglasses.
Yeah, but I'm too tired to take them off.
Right. This would suck for people that are claustrophobic.
Yeah, for sure.
There's no like light at the end. It just keeps going. More stairs. More stairs, let's go. We made it. 21 minutes. Let's go.
Back.
All right, let's peep this view though. Whoa. Look at that. Whew.
Look at that view.
Crazy. This is where we just came from. Used to be an old lookout. Pretty cool, right? I think there's another one up there. You can see all the ships coming in. So beautiful. This part right here used to be the inside of the volcano, if I'm not mistaken. All the lava coming out, sound effects. And now it's a parking lot with the building. Pretty cool. We're making our way down now, talk to some nice peoples, and I think we might do another hike. It's only freaking 8:30, so we still have the rest of the day, and this one wasn't too bad. I remember as a kid, your boy was gassed, but not anymore. So we're going to the next hike, and we're inside the store buying bug repellent. Look at this PB&J. I was like, yo, this look bustin', bro. Like, I haven't had a PB&J in such a long time. I didn't have my wallet on me, and I was like, I'm gonna throw this on the counter. Oh man, you guys want to bite? Look at this, bustin'. Starting off hike number 2, we are in the jungle. Take a look at the feet. Feet are not too bad right now. All right, at the end of this trip, sacais will be done. Whatever these are will be done. Wow, look at this, nature. And there the falls lie. Oh yeah, falls is busting. You good, you okay? Slowly but surely.
We got this.
All right, we're at the waterfall. Look at that, look at it, it's freaking beautiful. We out here, we got the shawtys out here too.
Hi.
Whew. Not going in this water. Not really feeling that right now. I don't want to get all wet, but look. Oh my gosh. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And then there's a bunch of people. Now, we gotta head back. Not too bad for the hike. We already burned 600 calories, y'all. 600. Wow. Update, update. Ugh.
What are those?
Look at that, guys. These aren't really hiking shoes, but I think they did the job. What are those?
Oh yeah, Dragon Kicks. We're at the website, dragonkicks.com.
Yo, 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 quick snack time. Ooh, the acai bowl with the bananas, the little granola. This man got some peanut butter smacks. Are you gonna drizzle the honey on there?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you guys haven't had acai bowls, I think you're missing out. Oh, bust.
Smacking right here.
About to down this real quick. What up, everybody? Oh wow, this looks a little blurry. What's good, everybody? It's the next day now, and we are over here at Kahlua Ranch, or Ku something Ranch, and we're about to do this little Jurassic ATV off-roading kind of thing. So I figured, you know what, let me bring you guys along. I got the chest mount, I got a head mount, and hopefully we can get some cool footage for you guys. We're a little bit late, so let's get it started. I really thought that yesterday was gonna be its own vlog, but I think I'm gonna combine these two because yesterday we were pretty tired. And it was a rough one. So we're gonna continue it because it was pretty hard to get this before, and then they had openings now. So Kua Loa Ranch. Let's see how it is. Cock-a-doodle-doo. So yesterday when we went swimming, my Apple Watch got a little bit of water damage. Can y'all see it? A little bit hard to see on here, but look, it's swallowing the numbers right now. That's not what I want. It's slowly spreading and the touchscreen doesn't work anymore. So this is where, like, I think it's a 2nd gen Apple Watch. I could be wrong, but it's pretty old. And I think Francisco and I might get new watches soon.
Yeah.
I didn't want to do it, but shoot.
It was okay though because you saved me from drowning, so it was...
Oh yeah. I had to save him from drowning.
Yeah.
Homie didn't know how to swim, so I had to, you know, fight some sharks, and I'm 1 Apple Watch down now. Yo, so this is my angle. Head mount. Looks like we're playing Call of Duty. Wait, hold on. Yeah. All right, hopefully this is good, guys. This is what we're working with. We are about to get on these ATVs. Whoa. Oh, watch out. Numero 3.
Numero?
Oh, we about to get messy. Look at this. They're all dusty. 1, 2, 3. 27,000 miles on this thing? Damn. All right, guys. We're out here in the boonies. Oh, did you start the GoPro? Yeah. All right, bet. About to do the Jurassic tour. Should I hit that rock? They should be able to take it. I like these trees. These trees are sick. I'm gonna gas it to see if it goes. It does a little bit. Oh, there's a raptor, watch out. It's an abandoned bunker. That's pretty sweet, guys. A little abandoned bunker. Look at the look at the water. Look at the water. There's a surfer out there. I have a feeling we might be getting out here or something. For a photo? Oh, yep. Make sure we all good here. That's behind the scenes of how they film Jurassic Park.
Daddy, chill.
All right, y'all. That was pretty cool. They did a little dinosaur thing. Then we're about to head out, go to another one. Oh, next one we should swap off so you can drive.
Yeah.
I like cows. Yo, peep this. Ooh. Stash house. Oh, Magnum PI. Hit the bumps, hit the bumps. They're coming, bro. The brakes aren't working. Oh shit. The brakes aren't working. Oh, hurry.
Bro, this is fun. Oh, dude. I thought we were gonna get wet.
Styrofoam tree. Oh, it feels weird. So this is wood.
Yeah, this is wood.
It's kind of crazy. I'm in jail.
Oh shit! No, dude. We're gonna get wet. No. Oh. I was scared, dude.
See if the face got dusty. Oh yeah. Yep. A little dusty. Gotta rinse off, wash up. You wanna see yours? Ooh. All right, gotta wash up. Be right back.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, gotta bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.